will talk about how can you find your skylife on your Star Work app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on Sky Live, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find here or Sky Live here in this sign. Here can you find it in this list. So here can you find it like this. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.